Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some short haircut ideas you'll want to copy ASAP. So first up we have a major hair transformation. She's going from super long hair. The stylist is cutting the hair with the clippers and turning her hair into a beautiful pixie haircut. Beautiful. Love how this one is kind of slicked back. Gorgeous. So next up we see someone else with the long hair get their hair transformed into this beautiful shoulder length lob haircuts. Then we see another lob transformation, this beautiful bob. And then we see several different lob and bob haircut ideas. Next up, we move on to someone who has ginger colored hair. Looks like she took the color up a notch with some copper, added in some bangs, and got the hair cut into a gorgeous bob. Next up, we have another beautiful bob haircut transformation. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful face framing bob. And next up we see a gorgeous choppy style pixie. Choppy bangs and layers throughout. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I check out these videos, I always feel so inspired watching them and making them. And if you want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.